Pagani Automobili has just announced the launch of an official restoration program that will allow owners of its original models to turn back the clock. Dubbed Pagani Rinascimento, the service will return any Zonda vehicle back to its original condition. In fact, the restoration will even include inspecting and restoring every single bolt and screw to ensure the brand's most memorable vehicles remain truly timeless. Pagani has confirmed that its craftsmen will only work on a single restoration project at a time, and throughout the whole process, the brand will document images, drawings, and technical data in a one-off Pagani Rinascimento book that will match the original car. "Oh, bring back the light and the original splendor of these masterpieces is a pleasure as well as a great responsibility," said Horacio Pagani. "Our customers rely on us because we are the only ones in the world capable of rebuilding and restoring Paganis as they came out of our atelier. We want to give our customers the emotion to be thrilled as the first time." In the 25 years since it was founded, Pagani has built 137 cars for customers, ranging from the original C12 to the 8-figure Zonda HP Barca.